Hey everyone, this is Karthik again. I'm here to show you a demo of the web app that I built using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It is a UTM link builder and QR code generator. I'll give you a demo of what this app is capable of. This has got very minimal set of functions. I'll walk you through each and every one of it. And before that, I'll also give you a high level walkthrough of how I've achieved this, right? So first I went to Claude and I have asked it to create like a simple UTM builder and QR code generator. So I defined the functions as in like these are all the fields that should be there, and when I paste a URL you should generate the respective QR code, and I want to be able to download the QR codes in PNG and SVG formats. I gave all that instructions and it started getting me the initial prototype, and it was good. So when the prototype reached a certain level, so you can preview or switch between multiple versions that Claude has generated within the same window. That's a feature that Claude has got built in. And once the app reached a certain stage, I thought I'll move this code to Replit. So Replit is a cloud-based coding platform wherein you can run any type of code and you can deploy the code into a custom domain or custom URL. So I copied this whole thing, and I copied the code. I can switch between preview and code. So I copied the entire code and I moved it to Replit. So in Replit, you can give the file system or give the screenshot of the file system in Replit and ask Claude to give you step-by-step instructions on how to run this app that you're seeing within Claude on cloud, right? So you can ask Claude for step-by-step instruction and it will give you step-by-step instruction on how to do it, right? Once that is done, I can run it, right? I can do like a sample run, and I can also open it in a new tab and run it. So once everything is working perfectly, and if I want to make any changes to the code, I can ask Claude and it will generate code for the specific function or specific areas. You can incrementally build a lot of functions, replace the code in Replit, and then publish it or deploy it. So this is how I built this whole thing. So now let's take a look at how this app works. So I am copying this URL. So I built this web app for First Marketer. First Marketer is a marketing newsletter that I run. It is specifically focused for early stage founders and marketers. So apart from writing articles, I also wanted to build a lot of free tools which marketers use on a day-to-day basis. So that's the reason I built the UTM builder. I am pasting a link, and right now I'm not adding any UTM parameters. I'm just clicking on generate UTM and QR code. So now you can see that the UTM link is generated. Now I haven't added any parameters. If I have added more parameters, it will also be part of this link. I can copy the URL if needed, and the QR code will be visible by default. And if you want to change the QR code's color, the foreground color and the background color, you can do so. And once you click on refresh code, the color change will be reflecting here, and you can download this QR code in the PNG or SVG format. So from this you can see that Claude is capable of building a fully functional web app only with written instructions, and you can just port the code. You can just move the code to your cloud-based IDE or to your local machine and you can run it seamlessly. So Claude AI is free to use. There are some limits, but you can build websites, web apps with this free plan or this free limit. I've tried it and it's possible. So give it a shot, try it out, and I'm excited to see what you built. See you soon with another interesting app or an idea. Until then, it's bye from Karthik.